Meaning of headhunter.
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 Headhunter. A headhunter is a professional recruiter who seeks out and recruits highly skilled individuals for employment. They typically work on behalf of an employer or organization to fill senior or executive positions. The term headhunter often implies a degree of aggression, as headhunters are known for aggressively pursuing top talent and luring them away from their current roles. Headhunters often have extensive networks and relationships in their industry, allowing them to identify and recruit top candidates quickly and effectively. While headhunters can be controversial, they play an important role in helping organizations identify and attract top talent.